This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado: the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. High wind warning in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. What? West winds 35 to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour expected. Where? The east slopes of the Front Range Mountains and foothills. When? From 5 p.m. this afternoon to 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Now here is